Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to make just a real simple snack. You can use anything that you have at home. We're gonna use some cereal. I've gotten some pretzels that I have at home, and I have some Chex Mix, and we're just gonna do a little trail mix of whatever you have at home. I have the pretzels. You can use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I didn't have any, so I decided I'm gonna use some Hershey syrup. You're just gonna squeeze that on there. You're gonna mix it. I've already done some ahead of time. You're gonna get a pan and you're gonna put Reynolds wrap, and you're just gonna put it on wax paper. You're gonna put them in the freezer for about an hour. If you wanna do like half an hour, about half an hour. If you wanna re-dip them in your chocolate, you can do that, and then you have to put them back in there. You're gonna put these in, and I've made some ahead. Like I said, chocolate chips, you melt them in the microwave. You do the same thing. Then you will get your Chex Mix, which I had handy, and it has pretzels, just different types of little cereals that you can put in there. And I also got this Funfetti cereal. So I'm gonna add some of this sweet with the salty. And, oh, I like popcorn. So I'm gonna add some popcorn to it. Okay, you're gonna mix this. You can have this as a little treat while you're doing your work at school, online or whatever. And then you're gonna get these pretzels and you're gonna mix them in. So you'll have some sweet and the salty, and I like to have more salt on my stuff, so I'm gonna just put some plain pretzels on there. And that is it. You can do this for your snack or when you're watching TV at night. And that's your quick little snack for the week. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, be safe, take care of yourself. Make sure you wash your hands before you do any kind of kitchen work. And we will see you later. Goodbye.